What it is, YouTube, man. Big T Ward, man. I'm back at y'all with another one. With another one. Alright, man. What's going on? I'm back, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me, man. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, man. All platforms. Make sure you follow your boy, man. Make sure, man, it's back to school time, man. So make sure you head over to the shop. Hit the Instagram, man. Hit the shop. Shop, man, gets t-shirts, backpacks, everything, man. If not, hit the website, BigTeeWardClothingCompany.com, man. Get you some merch. All right, man. Boy's back, man. I've been out of commission. Back been hurting, but I'm a little better. Heading to work today, man. We're doing some local work. So, I'm in the spaceship, man. So, let's get this thing started. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So yeah, we're in the scat, man. I'm heading to the yard right now. So I'm gonna get some POV footage in the truck with the 360 camera, man. With the 360 camera. It should be a lot better in the truck. I don't know if I'm just gonna mount it and do it that way, or just let it, be on top, man. This way might be a little better. So I'm gonna let it we'll do it this way and see how it goes, man. Let y'all see some of the over the road stuff, man. Well, not over the road, but doing some of the local stuff. So I'll be filming a little bit, be recording a little bit, man. A little different this way when I'm driving in the truck, man. Instead of the camera facing me all the time, y'all get to see what I see, go where I go, stuff like that, man. So we're gonna do it that way, man. So I'll probably do it from my phone as well as from the GoPro. So when we get back, not gonna record a whole lot in the truck, man. I'm just gonna, kind of record some of the stuff, man. When I get to my destination, y'all see me, bag in, different things like that, man. Doing different stuff. And when I get back, man, hopefully I can get on the bike, man. Hopefully my back allows me to get on the bike and roll a little bit, man. I hadn't been on my bike in a while, so I'm eager to get on it. Tried the selfie pole as well. So we're gonna do that, man. So before I get going, I don't want all this dinging. So man, let me put this on. Hey man, we're gonna head on to the yard, man. Got the bike keys, man. Ready to get on this thing, man. I'm ready to get on the bike. Like I said, I hadn't been on the bike in a while. But man, our vacation, man, literally is in a couple of days, bro. Today, Tuesday. Like, literally, man, a couple of days. Couple of days, bro. We out of here. Couple of days, man. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it, man. Definitely looking forward to going. I'd say first time on a cruise. Never been on a cruise, man. So I'm definitely looking forward to going, man. Definitely looking forward to going. So, man, y'all sit back. Before I go, man, and go jump in the truck, man. It's a good test for me, though. It's a good test, man, to see how my back does, when I'm in the truck and ride and stuff like that. So even though I'm not going very far, but I want to see how my back holds up when, driving, a couple of 100 miles. I want to see, how it holds up. Because, man, you have back problems, I promise you, man, you do not want that, man. I had a bulging disc, man. Actually, I got a picture, man. Actually was talking to the doc, the chiropractor. I went to the chiropractor, man, and the guy told me that my spine was literally crooked, like literally going to the right. So when I talked to the guy, he called me in, man. I think we did x-rays. So he called me in and talked to me about him. And he was like, man, this is like years of damage. So I advise anybody, man, if you're having some kind of back problem, man, go see the chiropractor, man, because the dude's literally straightening my pelvis or my spine back to where it was. So that's amazing in itself. And I'm telling you, man, it's super sore. Stupid sore, man. I'm talking about sore. Like that stuff you see on TikTok, man, you know, people popping people's backs and, you know, and all that, pulling their neck. I mean, it's real. Don't get me wrong. It is real, but you're not going to be walking straight like that, man. Like, you know, no. It's not going to happen like that. I wish it could, but you got to understand, like he explained to me, he's like, man, I'm straightening out some bones. I'm straightening out a bone in your body. So you're not going to be, you know, the 100% like there. You know what I'm saying? So I get what he was saying. You know what I mean? People like, they wake up and be like, oh man, I can walk straight. You know, no. Trust me. No. That shit is not like that, man. You'll be walking. You're going to be, you know, you're going to feel good, but you're going to be sore, man. The next day, sore, man. Or either later that day, after you sit for a minute, you stop moving, you sore as shit. So, but yeah, man, it works. It works, man. Felt good, feels good when you get your back and stuff, you know, pop and stuff like that, man. Or people say crack or something like that. It's perfect, man. But trust me, bruh, that stuff hurts. It hurts. So he said, man, it'll take like 3 or 4 months to get my spine back realigned, man. So, you know, prime example, man, I'm in it till I get to the yard. Some people ever tell you, man, when you were younger or something like that, and they say, man, one of your legs longer than the other, one of your arms longer than the other, or something like that. That's because your body's out of alignment, man. And, you know, once they kind of straighten you out and all that, you know, then everything lines up. So, man, your posture be good. You know, it's literally like that, man. Your posture, you know, everything just lines up, bro, like perfect. And it's crazy because, you know, you heard that saying when you were younger, you know what I mean? So, yeah, it works, man. But I'll be at the yard in a minute, man. So, get everything set up. I'll get the GoPro set up, man. And we're going to go in. We're going to take a look at the bikes and stuff like that. Then we're going to dip. So, y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy, BigTee, man.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. Boy, BigTee Ward, I'm back, man. Let me head up in the shop right quick. Oh, yeah. Hey, Brad. Hey, guys. Get on up in here for a second. Gotta turn some light on, man. No, y'all can't see up in here. So, there we go. Guys, get some light on in the shop, man. Check out these bikes right quick. Yep. Hey guys, so yeah, man, we might jump on the bikes today when I get back, man. So I definitely gotta get my wife's bike up out of here, and we gotta get some things going for it. So got a little project for it, man. Of course, man, we got the boost right here. Jumping on this day, man. It's dusty, so probably get one of the guys, man, to clean it up, and I can pull it out today, man, and ride it. So just want to show y'all, man, the bikes, the booster, man. I don't know, Derek ain't rolled in a while. My guy had surgery, man, so he ain't really riding his bike right now. But yeah, man, we definitely gonna jump on the boost. This thing gonna get wrapped, man. I actually got new stuff for it, man. I got new mirrors. I got new, I got the throttle, everything, man. Got a new bar for this. I got a couple things, man, that I got for the bike that I'm gonna put on. So just wanna give y'all a look, man. Give y'all a little look. So man, let me jump on. I got to go get some diesel, head out, man. So we're gonna get some POV footage with the 360, man. So let's get it, man. Do I got a paper in my box? No, I don't. I think so. I don't think. Nice, Brad. I need any paperwork. Hey, Brad. I ain't need no paperwork with my load, did I?
Huh?
I didn't need any paperwork, did I? I know you emailed, you texted to me. So.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Okay.
Yeah, they'll
Okay.
just give you the,
Okay.
POL there, so.
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
All right. So everything is cool, man. Everything is what it is. So we're gonna jump in the truck, man. We're gonna head out. So man, I gotta go get some diesel. It's one thing. We're gonna make that happen. And we're gonna get up out of here, man. There we go. Woo. That down. Don't want no copyright issues. So yeah, man, we're gonna get some footage, man, in the truck. Let's see what we got. See what we got, guys. See how my back does, man, while I'm in here. Cause man, super high. But gonna see how that does, man. These guys are super junky, man. Yeah. So I like my own truck, man. One of the reasons why I like my own truck, bro. One of the reasons, man. One of the reasons why I like my own shit. I think this is the only one that works in this one. I want to say. Make sure, man. Y'all give me a minute, guys. I'm just setting up, man. Setting up, getting everything together. Everything together, man. This right here is a good sticky mount. Ain't gonna lie to you. This mount is perfect. Yep. We are in there, man. So, gotta go get some diesel, man, as y'all see right here. If I got my camera pointing down. Cats don't put no diesel in the truck. beyond me, bro. I don't understand. You understand me? I don't understand why they don't put it in the truck. It's beyond me, bro. But yeah, here we go, man. We're about to leave. As a matter of fact, man, let's see what trailer I'm getting, guys. Let's see what trailer I'm getting. And it's it off the yard. E8 EMHU 645-277. So yeah, man, this truck is an automatic. It is an automatic, man. It's okay. As far as it's okay. Let's put it that way. It's all right, man. Especially when you don't do a whole lot of shifting and stuff like that. So this truck is all right. So I got to grab this trailer right here, man, in front of me, this green one. So man, I'm gonna whip around and we gonna get this done today. Decided to give y'all a little POV, man. Especially when we're doing some local work, basically. Local work is pretty quick, so it's a lot of getting in and out. And, you know, anybody interested in getting some local work, doing local work or whatever, you know, if you're interested in that kind of thing, you know, it's a little day-to-day of what you'll be doing. Depends on the company. You know, we mostly deal in containers and, you know, stuff like that. So it all depends on the company that you're at and what they do. You know, a lot of people don't deal in containers, so it all depends. We want to make sure you hook to this trailer, man. That's one thing you want to do. You want to do, man. You want to make sure you hook to the container. Because if not, trust me, it'll be a long day for you. Long day. Long day. Another reason I like this truck too, I ain't got to really step up on anything. I can just pretty much come around and just do this. Yes, sir. One thing you want to do, man, to make sure these containers, man, basically got some zip ties. Always check tires and whatnot. So a lot of them, man, they don't put zip ties on them. This one does. So I want to make sure of that, man. Also, you want to make sure the light's working and all that too. But it's daytime. So not really tripping on that. Everything's good. One of my tire pressure jumps was on. Don't look like nothing low though. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Time to ride. Now, guys, note, if you're watching this, man, it's a trucker video. Now, I do go around and check all the lights. I can do that, you know, and turn the flashes on and make sure all of them is working. But I kind of know these trailers and trucks, so pretty much, you know, I know it's working. So it's not a real big thing, especially for where I'm going. I know it's working, and I know how it, I know how these trucks are. So a lot of them, man, has something to do with the pigtail, and pigtail mean the electrical line. Some of that stuff they have a shortage, some don't. Just all depends, man. Just all depends. So we're heading to Middleton, man. So we're gonna go in, man, put the little address in, and bam, we ready to go, man. We ready to go. So everything is 100. So we're gonna dip, man. We gonna dip. Get a little air. Think we all good. Think we all good. Think we all good, guys. Another thing I like about the day cab, guys, is I can almost jackknife this truck, like literally, and make a turn. So, because for one, there's nothing on the back to stop it. Like most trucks, you gotta, like some trucks, man, you got a fin or something like that to stop the trailer. With this truck, you don't have that. You don't really have nothing to stop anything. So it's pretty much you can, jackknife it and keep rolling. I mean, well, almost jackknife it, put it that way. So this is another thing about it that I like. So yeah, man, gotta go get some diesel, see which way we're going, and that way I can go get some diesel, man, and kind of top this thing off. That's if you learn from somebody that know what they're talking about with the truck. So you want to get with somebody that know a little bit, that can teach you a little bit, man. So especially like a lot of tools that you can have that you can fix on your own, like stuff happen, man, like change your wiper blades, or like I had the oil cap came off. It was off the truck, man, and we were go back and look at that video. We were riding, so we happened to just pull over at the pilot somewhere, man. So I pulled over there and got there, man, and look, I'm like, man, I saw oil outside of the truck. So I was wondering what was wrong with it. I was like, yeah, popped the hood, oil cap was gone. And so luckily, man, I stopped, you know what I'm saying, and checked it and seen it or whatever. So, but we ended up, had to rig it up, man. So I actually got a actual glove, put it over it, man. Got something like the Gorilla Tape and duct tape the glove over the hole, man, so it won't splatter so much oil until we get back to the shop. So it held up, you know. We got back to the shop, man, got everything fixed, and it was back running right, man. So yeah, guys, I got to stop, man. Definitely got to make it to this diesel, make it to the Loves, or yeah, the Loves mainly. Make it to the Loves, man. Get some diesel, and literally go drop this load, man. Go drop this load off, and come on back. Got going on here? Got somebody pulled over. So guys, y'all give me a sec, man. I don't want to bore y'all with just ride or whatever. So I'll stop, man, when I get ready to get some diesel, and I'll turn the camera back on, get this diesel on, man, and hit the road. So y'all stay tuned, man. Boy, BigTee.